This is our challenge problem. This one is really just kind of in the language that can get people to be stumbled up. So the challenge problem number 6. The problem's not easy. You should try it just to get yourself ready for level 4 for your test tomorrow. Delinda has 2/3 gallon of orange juice. She has 1/5 gallon of milk. How many times greater is the amount of orange juice than Delinda has than the amount of milk that she has? So the confusing thing here is the word how many times greater. People are thinking times is multiply, but really we're saying it's not really multiplication here. We really are trying to do division. We're trying to say how many times can 1/5 go into the 2/3 gallon. So take a look at this problem. Whoops, I haven't screenshotted it yet. All right, so what we're really doing again, we're seeing how many times 1/5 can go into 2/3. If that's what we're doing, we're really saying 2/3 divided by 1/5. Keep, change, flip. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 1 is 3. How many 3's go into 10? 3 of them do, with 1 left over. Okay, so how did I get to the 3? 3, 6, 9. That was 3 3's. And to count up to 10, I needed 1 more piece. So 3 1/3. Okay, so how many times greater? 3 1/3. How can I do that as a model? Let's start over. So we are looking at 2 different portions. We're looking at 2/3. So we're going to put 2/3 in there. Whoops. So there's my 2/3. Oh, right now I'm drawing a blank. What was the other fraction? 1/5. Okay. 1/5. So I'm going to go to my 5's. 1. Does it fit perfectly? So you can kind of see it doesn't. So how would I find exactly how much it was? We had 3 and a third, right? So you could see we got 1, 2, 3 of them, and then we've got a little sliver of this 1/5. How do we know it's 1/3? How do we know it's not 1/2? What would we need to do to find out exactly how many there are? What we need to do is find that common denominator with 3 and 5, and it would be 15. So we would need to turn this into pieces of 15. So that means for every third, we're dividing it into 5 pieces. And for every 1/5, we're dividing those into 3 pieces. And then from there, you could see, boom, we had 1, 2, 3, and 1/3 of 1/5.